Welcome back, students. With the season of festivities around the corner, we are here again with an artistic and creative video. Today, we will learn to make Lord Ganesha's idol using clay. Firstly, we will mix Bombay clay with water and prepare a dough or a thick mixture with our hands. Now we will roll and smoothen the mixture using our hands. Now take 2 balls of clay. Use one to prepare the trunk of Ganesha and attach it on the first ball by gently pressing it. Press your thumbs to create space for eyes. Using 2 small-sized balls, prepare the ears of Ganesha and expand the clay slightly. Take another chunk of clay to prepare the headgear or mukut for Ganesha. Remove excess clay. You can use the clay to make different designs on the mukut using different patterns. Now, our basic face structure is ready. Using another medium-sized clay ball, make a curve on one side to prepare the belly part for Ganesha. Attach 2 more balls of clay to form shoulders. Gently roll some more clay to prepare the arms. Now on one small flat clay piece, carve fingers. Attach all the parts together. Place a ball in one of the arms showing the sweet laddu. Use 2 pieces of clay to prepare legs. Carve them to give effect of a dhoti. Attach with the remaining parts. Now, place a thin strip of clay to act as a belt or kamarband. In the similar way, make ornaments for Ganesha. Now attach the face on the rest of the idol's body. Using some clay, now we will prepare the teeth or the tusk for Ganesha. Attach the rear arms to the idol. Now using the refill of a pen or a toothpick, you can carve design on the ornaments and other parts of the idol. Similar designing could be also done on the mukut. Using the circular end of the pen, prepare designs on the mukut and also carve some other designs around the mukut. Give a final finishing touch. Using the end of the pen, carve the eyes. Place thin strip of clay to define the eyes. properly. Finally, carve the eyes and give definition. You can also carve a Trishul on the trunk. Once our idol is ready, you can color it as per your liking. Hence, our idol is now ready.